say I'm sorry, sorry, sorry. You say I didn't do anything wrong. And when I'm finally not sorry, it turns out I was a bitch all along. And now the buzzword dish thrown right over my head at the wall. Am I manipulative, or do I just want to break from it all? A little to the left, a little to the right. Come on, baby, let's fight, fight, fight. Doesn't matter if I think I did or didn't do anything wrong. And doesn't matter that I'm sorry if I'm sorry, sorry, sorry all along. A girl's always right, a girl's always wrong. Tell me what we're playing and I can try to play along. Living in a hall of mirrors and I can't find my face. I'm not here to win, so put me in my place. We were sitting in the sun and picking berries and fucking all day long. We could just ask the other animals if they thought there was anything wrong. We didn't know about lobotomies or prisons or asylums or malls. This paranoid, neurotic, and feminist Russian nesting doll. A little to the left, a little to the right. Come on, baby, let's rage tonight. Doesn't matter